Good morning, children. I hope all are staying at home. I think many are roaming outside. Many of the girls are taking practice of mehndis and all. So this is not the time to do all these things, as the government has given all these holidays only because of our pandemic situation which is happening in our surrounding states and surrounding our country. So as this is a crucial time where sitting at home we can gain more and more knowledge about all other things and all other situations which are going to make us to suffer more and more in the future. So as from the school side, it is the best opportunity as we have got so that we can reach our children, not keeping them away from their education. So as this academic year, those who have completed their 8th standard and they are stepping into the 9th standard. So as you are new to this class, you don't know anything about the past class or the present class. So just to revise once again, I am going to recall all that memories which we have spent in the previous class, that is in 8th standard. So how was that days when you came to school? Are you happy or sad? Maybe some are happy and some are sad, as that time we used to give more and more work, we used to ask questions and we used to keep the test. But as this online also, it is a very good opportunity and it is one of the media so that you can communicate with your subject teachers. As everybody knows in the school, I am dealing with social science subject. So regarding that only, I heartily welcome all the 9th standard students. So that you can make up your mind to step into the 9th standard and keep on moving with good spirit so that you can become a future citizens of India. So as we all know about social science, as this social science, it is dealing with many requirements, many things which are to be known by us. So as in the previous classes from I think 5th standard to up to 8th standard, at least we have got a little knowledge about social science. Why each and every student has to study social science. So as this social science gives more and more knowledge about these things. So as if these things are followed by us and if at all knowledge is gained by us, so we are going to rock this world and we can happily face all types of competitive exams. So as in this bridge course, roughly I am going to explain about these sectors which are dealing with your social science. So as if you move towards the study of man's life. So as this study of man's life, so here this life as we are all living on this earth. So do you think in your family no restrictions for girls, no restrictions for boys? Whenever you want you can go out, whenever you want you can come into the house. So daytime it doesn't matter. After sunset, so it is highly impossible. So you have to follow some rules and restrictions will be given more and more to the girls. So after evening, so as after 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, no girl or woman are permitted to go out of the house. Why? Means in the society some restrictions are there. So if any girl or boy opposes or he don't want to follow up such rules and restrictions, he may be sent out of the society. So as this the study of man's life, so here it is dealt with the sociology. So in the sociology we are going to see what are the rules, restrictions and what are the implements made so to overcome all these social problems. That we are going to listen and we are going to learn in the sociology sector. Whereas this second one, study of business organizations. We have already we have known many of business persons, many business ladies or business women are there, businessmen are there. Why we call them as businessman and business woman anta? So it is one of the identity given to them, so that they have approached to that level as they are maintaining their business with all the tactics and strategies which made them to become a powerful and successful businessman and businesswoman. So all these we are going to see and learn in the business studies sector. Whereas here the systematic study of the past. What has happened before 200 years? Can you guess? 2000 years back, what happened? We don't know anything about the past. So if at all grannies are there, at that time grannies are there, they'll reveal one or the two instructions, or they may reveal one or two incidents which they have seen, but not all. So as that systematic study of the past we are going to see in history. So how the condition of India was there before 2000 years. So what is the condition of India after 2000 years? What is happened in the past and what is going to present, what is going to seen in the present, and what are our future steps to overcome all these situations, that all are we are going to see in the history. Whereas study of origin and development of the state. So as you can see, each and every state is having one CM, and that CM is going to take full in charge of the state. What are the rules implement should be done, and what is the package should be given during this pandemic times. So how to control the people during this pandemic time. So all these which are to be studied and which are to be known by that person. If he knows very well about the political science only, so that person will be eligible for the this type of political issues. As you can see, this political science, it is a very good topic for us, so that we can change the rules and we can make out our requirements according to the situations. So that will be discussed in political science. Whereas the study of Earth's information. So as we all know, we are living on this earth. So as this earth is also known as water planet and blue planet. So why and how we got that names, and what is present around this earth. So where our country is located, how many oceans are there around our country. So what is the physical location of our country in the world map. All these we are going to see in geography sector. Understood? Now economical status of the country, it will be learnt in economic sectors. Whereas here we can see how the country should get developed and how the country has to follow some economical crisis, so that it can lead the country into a topper level. So as this basic course as basic knowledge of all these 6 sectors will give you keen knowledge about the social science. So I think all of you have got a little bit idea about these 6 sectors and why we have to study social science. So if you want to become a great person, a successful person, so you have to make up and you have to have a good knowledge about all these things. No matter science, maths, English, Hindi, Kannada, all are important. But to live in the society, to know about the history, to know about the physical status, to know about the economical status, first we have to have good knowledge, good communication, and we must have good strategy of making all these sectors to be learned. And as this studies, if you go on study, it is not going to end in one class. So as from first standard to you have got promoted to second to third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and now ninth. So after ninth, you have to step into 10th standard, after 10th PUC, like that the learning process will be lifelong. There is no end for your gaining knowledge. So to keep in mind, as in the next class we are going to start our syllabus, as this basic knowledge has given a little bit idea about all these sectors, I think. So if at all if you have any doubts, you can contact us through our phone numbers, as you can send your comments in the comment section. So until then, stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye.